Hey guys, so I have this cattail patch just behind me. You see this patch? It's cattail growing in the wild. So I'm going to take this out, a few of the leaves, and I'm going to process it. I'm going to make yarn out of it. So I want to share the process with you. So this is the cattail patch which I was showing you. So it's growing in a marshy place. It's a lot of cattails. This plant is growing so widely over here, and there's a small pond over here. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm going to cut one of the leaves. I got a blade just for this thing, so I'm going to cut it out and I'm going to take it home, wash it, and I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to put it in water for retting. Once it is retted, I mean to say the green portion is taken out. Then so all the fibers get separated. The chlorophyll part, the green part, it comes out, and after that, all that remains is the fibers, and then I'll spin it with my hands and make it into a cording. So I'm going to show you all those things. Okay, let's go ahead. This is the blade I got, and I'm going to cut this one, the nearest one, because otherwise I'll have to go in the pond. Okay, so I'm going to cut this one and I'm going to take it home. So let's go ahead and show you how it is done. Wait. Oh, wait, I don't think I can hold both the camera and this, so I'm going to stop the camera right now. Hey guys, so I'm gonna cut this one of the leaves, one of the plant, cattail, and I'm gonna show you where it is done. This one, I'm using this one, so I just go to the very end of this and I make a cut. Okay, and I just cut this over here and I take this out, and this is what I will be using for making yarn. Okay, so it was so long, the leaves were so long, I had to fold it like this, so I could carry it home conveniently. Okay, so after I took it out from the ground, I separated the leaflets. It will be done like this. It will come out on its own. See, like this. Once this is done, you have to split them open in half, like this, either like this, half like this, or you have to split it like this. Keep splitting it till the center portion can be seen, like this. That's it. This is how it looks. See this? Yeah. Okay, so these are the leaves of cattail, and I'm going to separate the leaves, so that it becomes easier for the fibers to separate. It's very easy to do it. Just pull it like this. Okay, and I might use another method instead of going for retting, so that I can use the fibers easier, faster than waiting for the retting process, which takes a little bit more time, because all this green portion will come out once the retting is done. Okay, I'll show you just one more piece. This is how it is. Okay, so just do like this. Okay, I think you got the point. Hey guys, so this is how the separated leaves looks like. Okay, I have separated each one. So what I'm trying to do now is separate the fibers using the blunt end of this knife. It's a spare knife. So I'm going to just separate the fibers from this one. I think this will be much easier. Okay, here we go. Let me just keep the rest of it away. Okay, take this. Okay, take this end, the outer end, and just do this. You see, the fibers are separated and the green portion comes off. So this will be much faster than waiting for the retting process. See how easy it is to take out the fibers. Okay, let's just separate this, and this is how the fibers are. So you will take this, you'll use this for making a cordage. So you have to do this with all the other leaves. Okay, it will be quite a lengthy process because it depends upon the number of leaves you have, how much time it's gonna take you. If you put it in water or near a stream, the retting process will be done on its own, by the water. The green portion will come out after a few days. You keep changing the water every single day, or even if you don't change the water every single day and every other day, it's fine. All you have to do is keep it under water, so all this green portion will turn into slime, and then you can take off the slime and separate the fibers. The fibers will come out much easily. You see this? There's still a little bit of green, so I'm going to try to remove it all, and after I'm done I'll wash it one more time so everything comes out, and then I'll separate the fibers and I'll use as much as I want. So now I'm going to do the same thing. I'll show you one more time. Where's my knife? See this portion? See this portion? This green portion? I hope you can see it. Slimy! Slime, 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 slime. Slime, slime, slime. Just keep on doing it till all the mushy portion comes out. And all that remains is fiber. I think it's gonna break. Okay, it's fine. See this green portion? You just have to take it out. This is the fiber of the plant. This is the fiber of the plant. Yeah, let me show you. Can you see the fibers? So beautiful, right?